I taught you two simple things, but you missed, as usual, what I gave you. I taught you how to put a nanocord wire. This is a cup 2, and this is a cup 1. In a cup 1, I told you to put the zinc plate. And a copper plate. And in a cup 2, I told you to put 2 copper plates. You were told to connect in a specific way your connections. And you were told in a specific way to make connections. Now, this, as I taught you, is the soul of the man. And this is the soul of physicality of the man. Then, for those who understood the knowledge, the two souls have to work within the dimension of the physicality. Then, once you're filled up with the water of the life, which is 90% of the body of the man, with the salt which you added to keep the salinity, with the level of the salinity of the man, another 15%, but at the appropriate level, that you understand how much to be. The connection is simple. You connect the souls and you connect the physicalities. And then with one strike, you connect the two together. This is the body of the man. In so many ways, we gave you the freedom that the soul of the man will interact with the soul of physicality of the man. And the soul of the man stays within the embodiment of the operation. That in total, in connection with the two, will protect the man from all to come. This is the reason why we showed you the twin cups. Now you understand the reason. We showed you the cup of physicality to protect you from the viruses which touches the physical part of the muscle tissue of the man. And in the original one, we gave you the cup of the soul of the man. And now you understand exactly where you sit. If mankind become kind to himself that understand this, you don't need to be fed. Would it be the opportunity for man to reside amongst the two? That in the process, his soul elevation will become the salvation for his physicality. Then you understand. No one can ever dictate, depending on the ratio of drinking and consumption in the right order between 1 and 2, you can feed the soul that it can feed the physicality, while the physicality feeds itself, controls itself. If you understand this process, it means there are no free calciums within the structure of feeding that the virus can ever attach itself to the weakest point in the structure of the physicality of the man. You need to feed the two souls that in balanced operation, they can look after physicality without killing, without consumption. And this is how you'll survive in space.